A warm greetings to everyone. Agriculture Makers in Mission IBPS AFO welcomes you to this video, and in this video we are going to see the mains question paper of IBPS AFO 2021, that is the previous question paper, so that you will be able to get an idea over the question paper and the distribution of questions and the way in which the questions are asked. And come on, let's get into the video. Very firstly, it is a very easy question. The botanical name of rice, it is Oryza sativa. Premium rate for rabi crops under PMFBY, that is Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, is said to be 1.5%, and for kharif crops it is 2%, whereas for horticultural crops or other commercial crops it is 5%. You have to remember the pungency in onion is due to allyl propyl disulfide. It is easy to remember, but you should be clear cut in the answers, because you will be confusing with other components such as diallyl disulfide, which is the pungency component of garlic. So you have to be very clear. Soil moisture is measured by tensiometer. You have to keep in mind at least a single question is there from this instrument part. Last time also they have asked about soil instrument only. You can go through the previous question. The blossom end rot is a major problem in tomato due to the deficiency of calcium. And then the requirement of effluent treatment pond is to reduce the pathogenic and pollutant load in the wastewater. The standard solids not fat content recommended in the cow's milk is said to be 8.5. The piercing and sucking type of mouth part is observed in the order Hemiptera, which includes Homoptera and Heteroptera. The insects like bugs, aphids, thrips, they are having this piercing and sucking type. Thrips will be having rasping and sucking type of mouth part. They will help in piercing their knobs into the plant and suck the sap, so that it may lead to yellowing, chlorosis, etc. ICMR recommendation of vegetables is said to be 300 grams. The superiority of F1 hybrid over its parents is said to be heterosis, which is said to be a weedicide. It is pendimethalin, which is given in the option. In which scheme farmer get a benefit of rupees 6,000 from the government in installment of 2,000? It is PM Kisan. The act of pasteurization in pig is called as farrowing. The RM test is done to which of the milk product? It is ghee. The water holding capacity of the soil type in increasing order, that is descending order, is said to be clay, which is greater than silt, and silt, which is greater than sand. In pea, the powdery mildew symptom is first seen in the leaves. Mustard belongs to the family Cruciferae. Okay. The process which softens the seed coat and makes it permeable to water and gas is said to be scarification. The protein present in the silk is said to be sericin and also fibronin, but the option is sericin there. The process of separation of silk from the cocoon is called as reeling. The scientific name of tropical tassar is Anthrea milicia. You can see that there are two questions from this silk. Sorry, three questions from this silk, and they are found to be very basic in nature. So if you go through at least fewer basic questions in silk means also you can easily attempt these three questions. Retting is a process that is done in jute. The fruit of rose is said to be hips, and rose belongs to the family Rosaceae, and apple, pear, all those also belongs to the family Rosaceae. The chemical used for polyploidy breeding is said to be colchicine. It is obtained from glory lily. The alternative crossing of two different breeds is said to be crisscrossing. The fruit type of pineapple is said to be Sorosis, whereas Jack is said to be Sorosis. You have to remember all this because they are a special type of fruits which are different from others, because your apple will have a fruit type of pome. Fig is having Syconus type of fruit. You have to remember all these. The success credit of KVK goes to Mr. Mangala Rai. The buffalo, which is native to Gujarat, having a sickle-shaped horn, is said to be Surti. The recommendation given for the reclamation of alkali soil is said to be gypsum, but you should not recommend gypsum to the saline soil because saline soil already contains sulfate. This gypsum also contains sulfate, so that it will increase the acidity of the soil. What is the host of Japanese encephalitis? It is a disease in a pig, and the host is said to be mosquito. Mandi is a primary type of market. The first mosaic disease which is observed by Mayer is in the crop tobacco. The fast growing spreading crop that suppresses the growth of weed is said to be smoother crop. The late blight is a serious disease in potato. Pre-seasonal planting of sugarcane is done in September-October, whereas Adsali planting is done in June-July. The minimum support price for the crops is recommended by CACP, that is Commission on Agricultural Cost and Prices. Moldboard is a ploughing instrument, that is to primary ploughing instrument. European bee is Apis mellifera, which has the highest production of honey. 2,4-D is a herbicide at a higher concentration, whereas at a very low concentration it is said to be a plant hormone. Which is not a sedimentary rock, it is granite. So that you have to read what are all igneous rock, what are all metamorphic rocks, and what are all sedimentary rocks, so that you can answer this type of questions in soil science. Buffalo milk is whiter than cow milk due to the presence of beta carotene, which converts into colorless pigment. Growing agricultural crop in the pasture land along with the forestry is said to be agro-silvipastoral system, because agricultural crop corresponds to the name agro, whereas forestry crops corresponds to the silvi, and the pasture land corresponds to the name pastoral system. What is meant by zoonosis? It is the transfer of disease from non-humans to humans, that is animals to humans. The breaking of fat globules into uniform sizes is known as homogenization. Anammox is a process involved in which of the cycle? It is nitrogen cycle actually. The off type in the main crop is removed through roguing and the off type is said to be rogue. It is an important operation in a certified seed production. The pomegranate disorder in which the aril turns black and collapsed, making it unfit for consumption, is said to be internal breakdown. The parallel and antiparallel lines of DNA is connected through hydrogen bond. Don't confuse it with phosphodiester bond. Sugarcane ratoon requires higher nitrogen. In Karnataka and Maharashtra, the grapevine is pruned twice in the month of April, May and October, November. Secretion of milk by granular secretory tissue of milk animals is called as lactation. The pest of coconut, which causes the symptom of diamond-shaped cut in fronds, is said to be a rhinoceros beetle. The progeny of breeder seed is foundation seed. It is important to read the color of the tags for all those seeds. Bordeaux mixture contains copper. The continuous dropping and closing of seeds by the soil is said to be drilling. Milk fever in cattle is due to calcium deficiency due to the higher lactation length. Housing system used in the commercial system in poultry having dimensions 14 by 16 inches is said to be battery system of housing. The farming system in which the CN ratio is maintained through microbial growth in fish farming is called as biofloc fish farming. The hybrid produced through the fusion of protoplasm of two different species is said to be somatic hybridization. You should not consider whether it is species or genus anything. You have to note the protoplasm so that it is said to be somatic hybridization. The exposure of seed to low temperature for dormancy breaking or anything is said to be stratification. It is different from scarification. And with this all the questions ends, and I hope you have got an idea over the question distribution, and I think the video will be very much useful to you, and thank you for all your cooperation and support. Please do subscribe our channel.